Step into a world of wonder as we unveil the extraordinary machine of your wildest dreams. A technological masterpiece that ignites imaginations, transcends boundaries, and sparks a revolution. Brace yourself for an awe-inspiring journey beyond the realms of possibility. Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell to get more of these amazing videos. Here, have a look at this. It will make collecting tennis balls much easier. This acorn collector is really amazing. This portable weightlifting tool will make your task much easier. And you can carry this large slabs as easy as 1, 2, 3. Check out this cool tape wrapping machine. Then how about this window cleaner? To clean your windows, you don't need to be able to do acrobatics. Sounds cool, right? Check out this portable snow plowing tool. Taking out snow won't be much of a problem now. Watch how cool this robot does. Getting billiard balls won't be much hassle now. This wearable chair is fascinating. Sit in innovation with this one, a marvel of comfort and convenience. Redefine rest on the go. Check out this one. Unleash the power of the future with our invisibility shield, an extraordinary breakthrough in stealth technology. Revolutionize urban landscapes with our graffiti removal machine, erasing vandalism with precision and speed. Check out this cool ladder. Look at this. It will be much easier to do securing the screws. Check out how powerful this jack is. It can lift your cars in no time. Then how about this slicer plus scraper combined? Check out this egg peeler. You can now enjoy eating boiled eggs without worrying of peeling it. This windshield cleaner will make your cleaning much easier. Check out this magnetic arm brace for screws. Try this metal cutter with measurements too. Let's look at this one. Carrying heavy things would be much easier now with this one. Check out this street cleaning machine. Wow! Look at this noodle cutter. It cuts the dough and precisely tossing it on the boiling water. Check out this cool measuring tool that takes its shape of the thing you're measuring. Check out this rim cleaning machine. Making your wheels looks new every day. Check out this pressurized cleaner. Look how much this machine would help putting out the fire. Look how this small thing towed this huge airplane. Cool, right? Like and subscribe. And see you in the next video.